Hello, thanks for joining me today. Just wanted to show everyone how to set up your own website, starting with buying the domain name and also setting up the hosting account, and then going to set up the actual WordPress website. Basically setting up the entire foundation of your internet business is really on these three things. Of course, there's a lot more that goes into it, such as building the website out. But before you do anything, you have to have this all set up. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to GoDaddy.com and get a domain name. I just like GoDaddy. They have great customer service, and I just have used them for years. So I'm actually going to take you through setting up a business project that I'm starting actually today. So this is a real live tutorial. Okay, so let's search for the domain. Let's thrive.life. Okay, let's thrive.life is available. It's $28, which is expensive actually for a domain. Usually they're less than $10, but apparently the .life extension is a new thing, and so I'm going to pay premium for it, but whatever. Okay, so just choose 1 year. Let's thrive.life, and it's $28. All right, proceed to checkout. I am a returning customer. I have my own account, which, by the way, I'd recommend signing up for your own account. Just do that on the home page. Just click on sign in or sign up or something to that effect, and just create your own account. It's real easy. It's real simple, and then you might want to search for the domain name after that. Either way, once you here, log in, and my preferred payment method. You can obviously see that I've done this a few times. I agree. Place my order. Good. I just got letsthrive.life. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so now what we're going to do, now that we have the domain name, now what we need to do is actually register the domain name in our hosting account. Okay, so if you picture, you have sort of three components. You have the domain name itself, then you have the host that actually hosts your website. You want to think of the host as like the foundation of the website, so it kind of rests on that, right? And then you have that website itself. So the first thing after you do the domain, I guess the next thing you want to do is you want to get a HostGator hosting account. Whoever's introduced you to HostGator, just click on that affiliate link or just go to HostGator.com, either way, and sign up for an account. I have the baby plan, it's called. It's like $6 or $8 a month or something like that. Anyway, since I already have my account, I'm just going to log in to my cPanel, okay, which, by the way, is your separate login for your hosting account. So once you get signed up for HostGator, okay, they're going to send you basically all your credentials. So your login, you just don't go to HostGator.com and then click on login. You have an actual cPanel, it's called, okay? So I'm going to log into mine. Okay. Now once you're in, it looks awfully confusing, and it is, and that's why I recorded this video. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is you want to add on a domain. See this? It says domains add on. So you first want to add it on. Now the new domain name is letsthrive.life. Okay? Just click on password. Don't click on any of this other stuff. Click on password, and I'm going to create a password. Good. I'm going to add on this domain. So now it's an add a domain in my HostGator account. I'm going to go to home. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to go to all the way down and go to quick install. Alright, so the next thing we do is we go to WordPress. Okay, now install the WordPress. see, my other website, glendavisjr.com, comes up first because that was the very first website that I installed in my HostGator account. I don't want to install my Thrive website on top of my Glenn Davis Jr. So what I'm going to do is, these are all my domains or websites. So I'm going to have letsthrive.life. That's what I'm going to choose. If this is your first time, it'll be the only choice. Okay, letsthrive.life. You're going to have to choose an email for the account. I'm just going to use my standard email address, which I always use, my Gmail. Okay, and you can change this at any time. Leave the blog title, leave that blank. Admin user, I'm just going to put Glenn, my first name and my last name. I'm going to install it right now. letsthrive.life is being installed. Boom, it's done. They're going to send you an email. HostGator's going to send you an email with this information. The next thing we need to do is we need to link up GoDaddy, where we bought the domain, now with HostGator. They need to be connected. So HostGator, on HostGator's end, they understand that we have this domain and we've installed this site, but GoDaddy doesn't know that yet. So essentially, when people type in your web domain, it's got to process in milliseconds. Oh, this is good domain. This is a GoDaddy domain. Oh, go to HostGator. Boom. Okay, so we got to go back to GoDaddy and log in. Manage my domains. Okay, it takes you to all your domains you have. I have a bunch. I don't know if you'll have this many, but so let's go down to letsthrive.life. Here it is. See? Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the name servers. So set name servers. See, right now it's just on GoDaddy's name server. So go to custom, enter custom name servers. All right, so see, it says name server 1 basically, okay? How you get your name server from HostGator is you got to go all the way down in your cPanel and you'll see it right here. All right, name servers. I'm going to copy one of these. There's two of them. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to add another. The second one. Finish. There it is. There's my two name servers. I'm going to save it. So now we have effectively told GoDaddy that we have a HostGator hosting account on this domain. It's going to take maybe a minute or two. It's not instant. Okay, so we go to letsthrive.life/wp-admin. All right. Oops, I spelled thrive wrong. And here we are. So this is the WordPress admin. Just to recap, we've bought the domain name, we've installed the domain name onto our cPanel and HostGator. We have then installed the WordPress with the domain on our cPanel and HostGator, and then we went back to GoDaddy and we set the name servers, which basically communicates to GoDaddy that, hey, this domain sitting on this HostGator account. So now I'm at my WordPress, the thrive.life. If you remember, my username was Glenn, and the password, they gave me some temporary password. I want to change that. So I'm going to go back to the HostGator and click on the gear button. See, this is where they've installed my WordPress. Now let's do a new password. I'm going to change mine. Now it's changed. Okay, so now let's refresh this page. And the username is Glenn. And boom, I'm in. Let's save it, save the password. Check it out, now I'm in my back office WordPress, so now I can start building out this website. So stay tuned and learn about how to actually set the theme of the website and build it out. Keep an eye out for my new video coming out soon. All right, thanks. Bye.